You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to pronounce this word, because there are really two different ways of pronouncing it. We'll be looking at how to say correctly more vocabulary many struggle with, so stay tuned. In British English, it's said as granted, granted. Stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it's usually pronounced as granted, granted. In American English, this has been granted, or in British English, granted. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me immensely. And more videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.